Hey everyone, welcome back to Wizard Explains. Today we're going to create a Hello World program using Python and Docker. Let's dive right in. First, let's create a new folder. Right-click on your desktop or inside any directory, select New, and then Folder. Name it whatever you like. Now open this folder, click on the address bar at the top, and type cmad, then hit Enter. This will open the command prompt in the current folder. Next, type code, and press Enter to open Visual Studio Code directly in this directory. Once you're in VS Code, create a new file and name it app.py. Now go ahead and copy the Hello World code from the repository and paste it into this file. After that, let's create a Dockerfile. You can either type out the code or paste it from the same repository. Make sure that Python is installed on your PC or laptop, and also check that you have the Python extension installed in VS Code. Now, let's build the Docker image. Type the following command, docker build t hello world app. If you run into any errors, don't worry. You can try using an alternative command, docker build x build. This will start building the Docker image. Finally, let's run the Hello World program by using this command, docker run hello world app. Just make sure to use the exact name you gave when creating the Docker image. And that's it. You've successfully created and run a Hello World program using Python and Docker. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.